So we could look at a question at something like find the equation of the line, and we know two of the points that the line passes through. So let's say 2, 4, and 5, 11. So our goal is to find the equation. So let's make sure we're clear on that. And to find the equation of the line, we need to find both parameters. So M is a parameter and B is a parameter, and these are the things we're trying to solve for. So one strategy that was suggested that will definitely work, and there are many valid ones, but we could call this point 1 and this point 2, and then this would be our x1, this would be our y1, this would be our x2, and this would be our y2. And then the change in y is the difference between the y values. So that's going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So now I take the things I've identified and I plug them in, and I'll have 11 minus 4 over 5 minus 2. So then I can do my calculations here. I have 7 over 3, and now I've found the slope. That was one of the things I needed. So step 1 was to find the slope, and all of that was in this blue font. Okay, so we found the slope, and it is 7/3, and that is the M that we needed. Next step, find the y-intercept, which is this B value. And there are different ways that you can do this. So one way that definitely works, and you're welcome to use it if you know it and like it, is you can use slope-intercept form. However, I'm going to show a different way. We'll do slope-intercept form another time. So let's pick one of our 2 points. Which point do y'all want to use? Okay, so we're choosing to use the point 2, 4. And what do I do now? Well, one option is I can say, well, there are 4 pieces of information here. I know 3 of them. I know an x value here at 2 and a y value here at 4. And I've already figured out that M was 7/3. So now if I plug this into my equation, what I end up with is 4 equals 7/3 times 2 plus B. And so solving this out, I need to solve for B to subtract whatever B is hanging around with that we don't like. So I'm going to do 4 minus, and you could simplify this to 14/3 if you wanted to. And so that cancels. And now I have B is 4 minus 14/3. That was the B value I needed. So that's nice. So now I've found the slope and I've found the y-intercept. And those are the 2 things I needed. So now I have the equation of the line. So the final answer for the equation of the line will be y equals 7/3 x plus, and now we need to figure out what this could simplify to, or we can leave it as 4 minus 14/3.